Hello everyone, I am Tanshik from Career Clinic, India's leading overseas education consultancy. As you know, IELTS is an international English language testing system designed to help study and work in countries like UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. The testing consisting of 4 sessions: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Do you know 50% marks in your IELTS exam depends on your writing skills. The writing session is an important part of IELTS test that you need to ace in order to get the desired band score. According to science, we can develop our writing skills more quickly than others. Before we jump into the tips, let's know about the IELTS writing session first. In this session, you have to complete 2 writing tasks. Task 1. You have to describe some visual information in your own words. That can be a graph, chart, table, or diagram. Make sure you are completing this task in 20 minutes and writing at least 150 words. So organize, present, and compare data perfectly and explain how something works. Task 2. You will get a point of view, arguments, or problems on which you have to share your own thoughts. For achieving higher scores, you need to write at least 250 words in this task within 40 minutes. So present a solution to a problem and justify your opinion wisely. The core purpose of IELTS writing session is to know about vocabulary, grammar, and spelling. By keeping these parameters in mind, I am going to provide you the best writing tips and tricks to boost your IELTS. Tip 1. Get familiar with the essays. Writing structure. You have to know the structure of the typical essay with solid grammar. Tip 2. Understand the question before attempting. Understanding the question clearly helps you to identify the right answer. So you need to read all the questions with utmost care and attention. Tip 3. Make sentences grammatically correct. It is essential in IELTS writing to create grammatically correct sentences as it makes a huge difference in your writing. Tip 4. Use proper vocabulary. Using effective vocabulary helps you to gain impression of the examiner. So use high-level vocabulary in your writing. Tip 5. Keep a count on the word. For completing your writing session on time, you have to write task 1 in minimum 150 words and 50 words with task 2. Now you are all aware about the IELTS writing test and the best tips and tricks to clear this round. If you desire to clear your IELTS exam in one go, then think no more. You have reached the right place. Like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about IELTS exam. To know more about study abroad, connect with Career Clinic. Good luck.